guys, today I'm gonna show you how to turn back your a computer background. If your computer background is like this, and turn upside down like this, as you can see. Yeah. So the problem is when it's accidentally turn upside down like that, or your you make a mistake with your computer and then it's turned upside down like this. As you can see, when I move the cursor, hit the cursor, you see it's very difficult to select the app or anything else like this. It's turned upside down like this, so it's very difficult to use when I want to open my file and something like that. And you see it also move upside down, so I will, yeah, it's very difficult, you see. God, yeah. So when it's happened like this, it's very easy way. It has a lot of different way, but I want to show you only the way that very easy. If it turn upside down like this, it's because you click on the Alt and down. So we have to do is hold on the Alt and then click on the up button, yeah. So it will be back normally as your computer before. So but when I click, if I suddenly touch the keyboard alt, so I click hold and I touch left, it will be it's turned upside down left like this, and then turn it back, it's will right. So this one I want to back to normally, so I just click on up, so it's normally up. So thank you guys for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more video. Thank you guys. I hope you guys like it and it's very useful for you all. Thank you. See you for the next video.